Hello everyone. I'm going to be reviewing the Google search. The first thing I'm going to show you is the set timer option. Like I did, I set it up for 10 seconds. Well, this is the Google search website for the tips and tricks for the search engine, and I'll be covering most of them. And well, some of them combine as well. Well, to begin with, you can go to the Google page, go to settings, and go then to the advanced search. In the advanced search, you'll see all the options I'll be covering as well. But this is very static way to search, so it's better to learn some commands that are the ones I'm going to be showing to you guys right now. Well, the first thing, you can search for flights. For example, I just searched for the flight BA 1492, and it's a flight from London to Glasgow, or Glasgow to London, and you can see if it's on time or it's delayed, or also you can see it depends on when have you searched in Google. The information is going to return. Well, you can also search for your pack. If you have sent something from UPS or anything like that, you can track your package. Just type the number and it will tell you what's going on with it. You can also convert currencies or any measure thing like degrees or weight, and you can get also a chart for the currencies. You can search with the range option. For example, if you want to buy a camera that is the DSLR, you can pass a range from $300 to $500 with this command that is the two dots. Well, you can pass an option, the OR option. For example, I just searched for the World Cup location in 2014 or 2022. That's the option I have passed after the command OR. You can also compare things, like I just did with the bacon and tofu. This is very helpful when you are taking some pills and you want to compare the recipe of both of different brands. You can also search with the zip code. For example, if I search for fish and chips, pass the zip code, I'll get all the results from this place that is Bath in the UK. And this is very helpful if you are looking for a restaurant or anything related that you need a geolocation perspective. You can also search for all the work of any person, musician, writer, or artist in general. Like I did with I searched for books by Ray Bradbury. These are all the books that were written by him. This is very helpful. This is a very nice view of his work. Well, you can also search for the movie times in Glasgow, or you can also search for movies and pass the zip code. I didn't use it. This is just an example, so I hope you guys keep with it. You can also search for the images and find different formats. For example, well, I think it's not going to work in this website as I'm connected to the UK version, but if you search for the images in my blog, you'll get the GIF option right here. Just click it and you'll get all the GIF related with your search. There's another way to search for images. If you have problems with one search that is very common and you need to make something different. For example, I've just searched for Rose, but I want to search for people with the name Rose. So I pass this option that is from here, right in the right corner, the and then image type face. So if I search with this command, I will get all the faces related with this search, that is rose. Well, you can see right here are all the faces. So it's very useful to use this command. I'll just type it right here. If you want to change you want to pass any category to your search. There's another thing you can do with images, that is the reverse image search. If you go to image, and you can pass some link, some URL, or you can also upload an image to see what's the source of that picture. This is very helpful if you like some poster or any picture or any person you know and want to know more about it, about him or her. That would be really helpful. You can also search with quotes. Well, I just search to be or not to be, so Google search will search for this entire phrase, not only by separated words. And you can also use autocomplete option, just passing the asterisk, and this is the result I get. It's very helpful and it's really smart. You can also delete some options to your search. For example, if I search for absorption and I delete the chemistry option, I get all the other results. And the most important from this search is the acoustic. Well, you can also, this is another example of the same thing. I just searched for chocolate cake recipe, and I don't want with nuts because maybe I'm allergic and I just want the recipe without nuts. This is very helpful. And if I'm looking for some concept like Inception, I can remove the movie option. Well, maybe I was just looking for a corporate group. So these are the results. So I remove the movie option. Well, you can search for words in text of the news. For example, here I'm looking for John Lennon, and in text Liverpool. Most of the results will be web and news. So this is really helpful if you want to search for any article that you want to pass any keyword. You'll find it right there. You can also search for words in the title. For example, I just searched for technology, and in the title the word Skeletonix. So the result of Skeletonix, I think it's not working. The command has to be all the words together. So if I search with this, you can see I got the word Skeletonic in the title. This is the only one that works, and well, on these ones. You can search for words also in the URL. Like if I search for BBC News, you can see that I have this word BBC and news in the link, in the URL. So all this website, that of course is most of the results are going to be from their website, are from the BBC News, and they include the both words. Well, you can also search for big data, PowerPoint, like I did. You can search for the extension of the file. I searched for PowerPoint, but you can also search for PDF or Docs or XML or JSON or whatever type of file you want to search. You just type the name of a file you're looking for and then the extension of the file. Well, you can search for websites that are no longer available. Well, this is the cached version of this website, techradar.com, and this is the offline version, you can say that. So it's very helpful if you want to go into a website that is no longer available in the internet. That's very useful. You can also search for related website. For example, I'm looking for related website from imdb.com and I get results, the Rotten Tomatoes, the Box Office Mojo, and movies.com. Well, you can also search for websites that contains a link to a website in particular, like I'm doing right now with the famous website. All these websites are linking to the one I'm looking for, that is famo.us. You can search also for keywords inside a website. You don't need to go on a website that has a search engine. You can search it just right from Google by typing inside the name of the website and then your keyword. And well, this is a command for looking for APK files for installing in your Android devices. This is very helpful. All these results are APK for you to go and install. You can search for any old Android application that is no longer available. You can find it on some website. And you can also search for IP addresses. You want to see what's going on with your IP or someone else's, you can search it also from Google. I'll leave you this link, that is how to use Google as a proxy. If you're in a corporate network and there are some websites that are blocked, you can always use this Google proxy to go into those websites. Well, this is this command, the around, is for passing options between the first search and the second using the parameter. And I have used that command all inside the site of expertsexchange.com. Well, another very useful tool is this one, this button. You just click it and then you can search for any option. Right here I'm going to see what's going on with the USA government in the last 24 hours, and I get this all these results. It's very useful to find the newest updates. And also you can search for news or webs that were in some particular location. For example, in this example, I'm using Auckland. Well, if you want to see what's going on, what people are searching on Google, you can always use Google Trends. This is a very big application. I'm not going to explain it right now, but maybe I'll make another video about this. I guess that would be all. I hope you guys like this video, find it very helpful, and if you did, please subscribe and like and share. So I'll see you next time. Bye.